I'm Madison Grylls, and this is Tween.Nature. All the things I have are in this backpack and on me. I have my gumboots, which is good grip to some of these floors. I have my jumper and the rest of my clothes. And I have my backpack with a flashlight and a pocket knife. It has been raining, so that's why all these plants and the forest is wet. So I need to find a shelter that's warm and cozy. I've just found a tasty snack. Yummy. What the perfect tree to have shelter. I can just lie up there and rest. It's just the tricky part to climb it. I've just woken up this morning and it's very nice this morning, and I've just found the perfect snack. If I'm correct, it's either a ant's nest or a termite's nest. So, let's see. Breaks easily. It's a termite nest. Perfect to eat. What yummy termites. If I can get to the queen, it would be very tasty. I might eat one now. Here's one. A bit bitter, but sweet. I've just found a bit of water on these leaves, if you can see. Now the way I've got to have them is by licking the water off it. Keep licking until you are full of water. Or you think you are. That's better. What to do next? Oh! Oh. Wow. This... This hasn't even been ripped. This is perfectly good. I'm afraid I'm not alone. Okay. Time to make a fire. Well, there's a patch here of twigs. So if I just get the dry ones and put them here in a pile, I can start my fire. That should be enough. Okay. Time to light this fire. I'll just go. Okay. Nice and warm. You know what we need? I think a nice sword fight would be well. Okay. Stick. Nice. You ready, punk? Huh? Are you ready? Huh? Huh? You ready? Oh, yeah, fun. I've just found a cicada. It's buzzing around a little. I better cook it on the fire. Here, I'll roast it around like a marshmallow. It's getting a bit crispy. Perfect. Oof, it's hot. Just bring off these nippers. Very crispy and delicate now, so I gotta be careful I do not break it at all. Muffle these legs because they're very spiky and you can hurt your tongue and throat.